So this is vetch. It's a legume in the Fabaceae family. Good forage, good amount of protein in it, pretty digestible protein, especially at a younger age. Red clover, incredible for pollinators, and you can pull these little inflorescences off, and they, depending on the time of year, will have a little sweetness to them. But this is also a great forage, and also as a nitrogen fixer, just like the vetch. The clover in particular, not so much the vetch, but the clover, especially clover dominant pastures, you can get a lot of protein for the sows from it, which is pretty amazing. And we have seen definitely some reduction in feed consumption with these higher quality legume forages. And then these look like some dandelions, maybe some younger chicory, and this is definitely that forb species. So really broad leaf, lot of nutrients. They're very deep rooted, so pretty drought resistant as well, which is another amazing thing. Really seeing those hold on in less wet years than this. Yeah, and soft. We kind of think about one thing we are trying to cultivate in our pastures is like a squeakiness to the pastures. And so if you have a salad or something like that, and you've got either romaine or even a salad chicory, there's that kind of squeaky texturalness to it. And that's just a different cell structure of the plant. And it just seems to be a lot more digestible for monogastrics, which is pretty amazing. Both pigs and chickens lack that forestomach system like a ruminant, but these higher solubility, lower lignin content forages that they can really get in, and they're so soft and pliable that they're able to chew it up a lot easier and then actually get a lot more nutrients out of it in their single digestive tract system. So yeah, these are kind of some pretty amazing, pretty incredible forages that we're trying to cultivate here. Yeah, so I like to think about someone said to us once that we a goal could be to have a squeaky pasture. And so that's where you think about that's what I was starting to say earlier and I got distracted. But when you put a fork into a salad that we're eating as humans, there can be kind of that squeakiness from romaine or from those chicories, and we like to hear kind of a squeaky waxiness in our pastures as we walk through, because humans are monogastrics, and so we can think about how we're able to consume things and kind of apply that then to our monogastric grazing animals as well.